Hello, my name is Ifedayo and I represent Examwood, and I welcome you to another session of revision with the common entrance question. I believe you have been following us and I believe you are being impacted a great deal. So today I'll be continuing with the revision, and the first question we have here is multiply 6204 by 0.0031. What you need to do is write it out: 6204 multiplied by 0.0031. What is the first thing you need to do? If I were you, I would just write 6204 multiplied by, convert this particular one to what do you call a fraction. It's going to be 31 over what? 31 over 10,000. Am I right? 10,000. Why did I say 10,000? Because if you look at the back of the decimal point, you have four figures: 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. It means 10,000 naira. 10,000. Sorry about the naira. All right. So at this point, what do you need to do? You multiply this one. You multiply. That will be 6204 times 31. Then everything over 10,000. 10,000. So at this point, what do we need to do? 6204 times 31. That will be 1 times 4, 4, 1 times 0, 0, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 6, 6, 3 times 4, 12, 3 times 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 6, 18. So we had together. If you add together, what would he give to us? We have together, that will be 4, 2, 3, 2, keep 1, 9, 1. We have 1, 9, 2, 3, 2, 4. So at this point, therefore, divided by 10,000. So if you divide this by 10,000, 10,000 in this will give you 19.2324. And what did the question tell us? Say, okay, do we have, if we change it to 2 decimal places, 19.23, do we have 19.23 there? Yes, we do. That's option A. So you have that as your answer. And the next one, we have what must be divided by 9 to obtain 32. So in this question, you say let the number be what? Be x. That's the most common that we use. Let the number be x. What must be divided by 9? So you know that the answer, this number in question is x. So we divide x by 9 to obtain 32 equals to what? 32. So at this point, what do you need to do? You what? Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what does it give to you? It means that x equals to 9 times what? 32. X equals to 9 times 2, 18. Keep 1. 9 times 3, 27 plus 1. That will be 288. So 288 must be divided by 9 to give us 32. Let's check. Do we have that there? 288. Yes, we do. We do option D. Let's move to the next one. The next question. A man spent 8,200 on power monthly. How much will he spend in 3 months? They asked you per month. 1 month equals what? 8,200 naira. So 1 month for 3 months. 3 months will be what? 8,200 times 3. So 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 2, 6, and 3 times 8, that will be 24. So you will spend 24,600 naira for 3 months. So D is the what? The answer. And from there, we'll move to this one. If x equals to 3, y equals to z, and z equals to minus 1, find the value of xy minus yz. If x equals to 3, you have xy minus yz. What else are x? 3 times y into bracket what? 5 minus, what is y? 5 into bracket Z minus 1. So that's going to be 15 minus 5 times minus 1. That would be what? Plus what? Plus 5. So you add the two together, it will give you what? 20. Don't forget, it is very simple. That thing that I just said now, plus times plus times plus will give you plus. Anything multiplied by minus, plus times minus will give you what? Minus. Minus times plus will give you what? Minus. And minus times minus will give you what? Plus. Please don't forget, all these laws are to be at the back of your mind. Let's move on to the next one. Emaniru and Odorige have 980 naira to share. If Odorige's share must be 15 naira greater, how much will Emaniru receive? If Emaniru and Odorige have 980 to share, what you need to do, first thing is they are to share total money equals to what? 980 naira. Odorige is 15 naira greater. What I want you to do is Emaniru share be X. Odorige will now be X plus 50. Because Emaniru's share is X, is unknown. But you know that Odorige must be 50 more than Emaniru. So you have to do it like that. So what do you now need to do is just you know that Emaniru plus Odorige plus 50 equals to what? 980. So this one will be X plus this one X plus 50 equals to what? 980. It's as simple as that. So open the bracket, X plus 50 equals to what? 980. At this point, what do you need to do? X plus X, that will be 2X. 2X plus 50 equals to what? 980. 2X, so at this point, you can collect the like terms. If I want to collect the like terms, I will just say that subtract 50 from both sides. If I subtract 50 from both sides, that will be 2x plus 50 minus 50 equals to 980 minus 50. So this 50 cancel this one. Let's move on. Sorry. So at this point, it's going to be 2x equals 980 minus 50. That's going to be what? 930. So if I now say that x equals to 930 divided by 2, x will give you what? 4. Remainder 1 in 13, that will be what? Sweet, that will be 6. That will be 465. So since you had 465 as your x, what you need to do now is what? The question says, how much would Emaniru receive? Emaniru has 465. That is Emaniru's share. It is Odorige that would now expect that if I add 465 to this 50, he is 465. While Odorige is what? 465 plus 50. That would going to be what? 515. That would be 5 1 5. Right. That's for Odorige, but Emaniru is 465, and we do have that as part of our option. So the answer to this question is 465. Thank you so much. I've come to the end of this session, and I believe you must have learned a great deal. Please, if you have any question or if you have any other comments regarding what we've done, please let me know. I appreciate. Have a great day. Please subscribe to all our channels, exammode.com, and let it be of help to you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.